slow. Look, press, and roll. I'm not going to dip in until I can see the exit of the turn. Alright, go ahead and dip in. There's a little bump. Shift on the way out. And that's just how easy it is, boys! Hey, what's going on, guys? Dyna Rider back at you with another video. In today's video, I want to talk about going over train tracks. Alright, guys. I had an amazing interaction with one of my subscribers the other day. He's been blowing up all my comments. He's been suggesting videos for me to do. And this is one of the videos that he asked for me to do. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So, if you guys remember, in the MSF course, you guys are taught when you guys go over an obstacle to lift your butt up. Alright? So, what do you think we're going to do when we go over these train tracks? We're going to lift our butt up and let the bike suspension work for us. Alright? That's all it is. You lift your butt up, make sure your bike is straight up and down. Even if the tracks are in the middle of a turn, just briefly straighten up. Once you're over the tracks, go ahead and get back into your turn. Let's go ahead and show it from the other angle here. This little sporty is a lot of fun, guys. Alright. So once again, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. Alright, so it's in the middle of the turn this time, so we're setting up for the turn. Slow, look, press, roll. Alright, I see that there's train tracks. Go ahead and lift up. And allow the bike suspension to work for you. Alright. It's not an issue whatsoever if you're letting the bike suspension do the work for you. Alright. That's this week's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good week. As always, your safety, your responsibility. Take charge of it. Dyna Rider out. Peace.